If squats are wrecking your knees, crushing your lower back, and still not building the legs you want, stop and listen carefully. That pain is not part of the process. It's not normal, and it's not something strong bodies tolerate. Squats are the king of lower body movements for strength and muscle, but only when they're executed with precision. Most people aren't training with squats. They're surviving them. Bad mechanics repeated week after week turn the most powerful exercise into a slow path toward pain. That's why so many lifters feel broken instead of built. Today, we're cutting through the excuses and the bad coaching. I'm breaking down the 5 biggest squat mistakes that are silently killing your progress and setting you up for long-term damage. These are non-negotiables. Fix them, and your squats immediately become stronger, smoother, and safer. Ignore them, and your progress will always stall. By the end of this video, your technique will be sharper, and your squats will finally work for you, not against you. This is the Omega Body Standard. The first and most destructive mistake is letting your knees cave inward. As the weight gets heavy or fatigue sets in, the knees collapse instead of driving out. That inward collapse dumps stress straight into your knee joints and ligaments. This is how knee pain starts. The fix is mandatory. As you descend, actively drive your knees outward, like you're trying to rip the floor apart with your feet. If that feels unstable, that's feedback. Your glutes and hips are weak. Strengthen them, and your squat instantly becomes more powerful and controlled. The second mistake is letting your heels come off the ground. A proper squat is rooted. If your heels lift, you're balancing, and balance under load kills strength. When weight shifts to your toes, your knees take over, and your hips shut down. The fix is to drive your weight through your midfoot and heels and keep your feet glued to the floor. If tight ankles are holding you back, don't work around it. Attack it with calf stretching and ankle mobility until your base is solid. Mistake 3 is rounding your lower back at the bottom of the squat. That shrimp-like position is called butt wink, and it's a fast way to irritate your spine. When your spine loses neutrality, under load, the stress goes straight into your spinal discs. The fix is respecting your limits. Depth only matters if your spine stays locked in. Before every rep, brace your core hard, like you're about to take a punch. That tension protects your spine and keeps everything tight. The fourth mistake is letting your chest collapse forward. When your chest drops, your squat turns into a good morning and your lower back takes over. The fix is posture. Keep your chest tall and your eyes forward. Imagine showing the logo on your shirt to someone in front of you. Strengthen your upper back and core to lock this in. The fifth mistake is living in half squats. Shallow reps inflate ego, not strength. Strong legs are built through full, controlled range of motion. Aim for at least parallel, or slightly below if mobility allows. Chase quality reps, not weight. Fix these 5 mistakes and squats stop feeling like punishment. They become your strongest weapon. If you train seriously, subscribe to Omega Body and comment which mistake you're fixing first. Train with discipline, move with intent, and build a body built to last. That is the Omega Body Standard.